Today I'm going to be doing my presentation on Betye Saar. She was born July 30th, 1926. Today she is currently 92 years old. She was born in Los Angeles, California, and she studied at the University of California, Los Angeles, and the University of Southern California. She still lives and works in Los Angeles today. In 1949, she studied design at the University of California at Los Angeles, and then moved on to study education and printmaking at California State University at Long Beach. In the early 1960s, a lot of her works consisted of etchings and intaglios. It wasn't until 1968 where she developed an interest in three-dimensional objects and started working in assemblage, which is what a lot of her work today consists of. Here I just have listed some life and career highlights of Betye Saar. In 1974 and 1984, she was given the National Endowment for the Arts Award. In 1990, she received the 22nd Annual Artist Award at the Studio Museum in Harlem, New York, New York. In 1991, she received the honorary doctorate degree from California College of Arts and Crafts in Oakland, California. In 1992, she received the honorary doctorate degrees from Otis and Parsons, Los Angeles, California, San Francisco Art Institute, San Francisco, California, and Massachusetts College of Art in Boston, Massachusetts. In 1995, she received the honorary doctorate degree from California Art Institute in Los Angeles, California. In 2000, she was a part of a group exhibition called Strength in Diversity, a celebration of African American artists at the Carpenter Center at Harvard University in Cambridge, Massachusetts. In 2002, she was in a solo exhibition named Betye Saar, Colored, Consider the Rainbow at the Michael Rosenfeld Gallery in New York, New York, and Columbus Museum in Columbus, Georgia. So now we're going to go and take a look at some of her pieces of work. This one is called Anticipation. It was created in 1961. This is when she started experimenting in layering and textures. This piece helped her in her assemblage work pieces. This piece is thought to represent Saar's transition from representational work to symbolic iconography. This piece is The Sorceress and Seven Assorted Birds. It was created in 1964. This is a work of etching with acquaintant on paper under glass. It is located at the Caslow Gallery in Encino, California, and it sold for $2,000. Here we have The Window of Sirens. It was created in 1966. It is a hand-colored prints in an antique leaded window frame. It is located at the Michael Rosenfeld Gallery in New York. This piece here is The Liberation of Aunt Jemima. It was created in 1972. This is actually one of her most famous pieces because it is a symbol of Black liberation and radical feminist art. It is located at the Berkeley Art Museum and the Pacific Film Archive in Berkeley, California. This is The Twilight of Pisces. It was created in 1979. It is a mixed media box assemblage and is located at the Michael Rosenfeld Gallery in New York. Here we have The Dispeller of Darkness. It was created in 1980. It is a mixed media collage and is located at Roberts Projects in Los Angeles. This piece is called Standing in the Shadow of Love. It was created in 2000. It is a mixed media assemblage and is also located at Roberts Projects in Los Angeles. Here we have The Blue Window of the Mystic Palms. It is located at Roberts Projects, Los Angeles. It was created in 2018, so one of her more recent pieces of work, and is also a mixed media assemblage.